얘기하고 싶어 춤에 끼고 싶고 이런 시간들이 모여 피어나나 싶어 이어폰을 꼈어 보면서 나 봤던 우주 비행하고 싶어 멀미약을 삼켜 나는 내면의 건지 패딩 입은 애 같아 아무 패딩이랑 똑같지 넌 그럼 아사피 난 열심히 개바빠 우린 충분히 바빠 근데 가끔 구름 이별에 있는 사람들의 노래는
So we woke up very early, around 3 a.m. We were all set around this time, and me and my friends are just tidying up our things inside my friend's car. As you can see, there are not much people outside. It's because it's like 4 o'clock in the morning and there's a curfew. Stop over muna kami sa McDo to buy breakfast. So I'm going there. We haven't eaten our breakfast yet, so we decided to go to McDonald's and have a breakfast there. So I want you all to meet my high school best friends, Rika, Mika, and Jethro, the one who's driving, and Yuri. So we've just reached the Batangas port. And here's the view. Yung sasakyan kasi dyan siya magsistay for like 2 days. So we parked Jethro's car first here at Batangas Pier because we're going to leave the car here for 2 days and 1 night. So now it's time to go, and I'm very excited because this is the first time that I'm going to travel with my high school best friends outside our hometown. So I just bought this ticket for 255 pesos, and this is just a one-way ticket.
Going to Maraming from here. Pasok oras pa rin ito mag-plane ka kung mag-isip na yan. Kasi yung 1 for mo, pwedeng maliga na yan.
Here's the ticket. 30 pesos tong ticket na to. And then this one is 255. Batangas to Puerto Galera. And it's only one-way ticket. So it's 7:42 in the morning right now, and the boarding time is 8:30. Yup, so tamang video at selfie lang bago lumubog yung barko. Joke lang.
Puerto Galera.
So finally, after 2 hours of ferry boat ride, we've reached Puerto Galera. Just a reminder to all of the local and foreign tourists, you have to pay 120 pesos for the environmental fee. So in this part, the personnel will take your temperature as well as you have to present the QR code for you to be able to enter Puerto Galera. So we've reached the resort and we're going to stay here for 2 days and 1 night. So let me give you guys a room tour. So this is their deluxe room. It is good for 3 to 4 persons. And the room is neat and tidy, but the things are a bit old. Well, the Wi-Fi is out of range too, so you can't connect to the internet. Also, the room's not well lit. The restroom, yeah, so-so. The shower has its hot and cold setting, which is good. Yeah, also, there are no cabinets. And there is a safety box, but we're not able to use it. So after eating our lunch, we decided to go to the white beach, and in this part I'm riding a tricycle, and it took us around 30 minutes to get there, so it's quite a long ride. So pupunta na kami ngayon sa white beach with my friend. So it was scorching hot that time. I think that was around 2 p.m. So we decided first to find a place where we can sit and relax for a bit. So I'm here at the refreshment shop and I ordered halo halo just to cool down myself a bit. Do you like it?
but I like him more. Char.
So I removed my shades for a bit, and it was really bright that time, and I'm trying my best not to sneeze.
Tandang ng tayo habit. Ay, medyo parang hindi maganda.
So we are back at the hotel room, and this is just me being conceited, brushing my teeth while taking a selfie video. Yes, we should brush our teeth every after meal. So now I'm done with everything and I'm ready to go to bed. I'm just waiting for my friends to turn off the light. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed my video story. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and follow me on my social media accounts. Again, thank you for watching my video. I hope you guys like it and see you on my next video. Take care, everyone.